now. We must be very strategic in the way we use these funds. We've got to stretch every dollar. There are many needs, and we must protect our city as we respond to this crisis. We don't know whether we will get any additional funding. These are my recommendations for this funding, and I'm listing them in no particular order. Funding for the social services agencies we have supported in the past. Restoring funds for affordable housing. Restoring funds for homelessness initiatives, and replacing our city's rainy day fund. The budget I had to propose in April made cuts that hurt people who are in need of our help. The budget is based on a $40 million shortfall in revenue predicted for next year. Of course, COVID-related costs are increasing every day. At the time, I said it was not the kind of budget I wanted to present. I recognized the importance of these needs, even though I couldn't find the money for them in the fiscal year 21 budget I originally proposed. Generally, the priorities I'm recommending for the reimbursement funds are based on community needs and some on the city's financial stability. It's important to do both, provide for critical services, and ensure our city remains on a sustainable path financially. We must take a fiscally responsible approach rather than taking more money out of our rainy day fund. Everyone should understand the city's financial picture will continue to change. On April 28th, when I presented my budget proposal, I felt our budget would go through several revisions because of the upheaval of this pandemic, and that's exactly what's happening. The Urban County Council will ultimately vote on how to spend these federal dollars. Council continues to debate and consider amendments to my proposed budget. The Council is expected to ratify or take its first vote on the budget on June 2nd. The new budget will go into effect July the 1st. This federal funding gives me another reason to be optimistic about our future. As difficult as these past few weeks have been, I want our citizens to know there are plenty of reasons to have hope. I have confidence in Lexington's economy. We have every reason to believe it will recover and that the recovery will be swift. I have confidence in Lexington's citizens. Our citizens have done a great job at keeping this pandemic under control by social distancing, wearing masks, and staying home. And I have confidence that citizens will respect the importance of a gradual reopening as we work to avoid another spike in the virus cases. We've been healthy at